Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna to show you if your iPhone 17 does come with a charger. So actually, no, your iPhone 17 only comes with a charging cable and some instructions and with a SIM card opener. But no, your iPhone 17 does not come with a charger. Apple says that it's for the environment safety and to reduce the global warming, reduce the CO2 emission, etc. But no, your iPhone 17 does not come with a charger, and in Europe you can't really send products with a charger anymore. So yeah, of course, as for the United States, no, there is no charger too, of course, and every single region too. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.